Yo, what's up, Muli Bunch? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Dinalaga TT, Dimankala kuno ku USA koma dimachogera ku Botswana. How are you guys doing, man? Zambia, Botswana, you know, we are together. How do you say together in Chichewa or in Nyanja? I forgot. But you know what I mean, if you know what I mean. How are you guys doing over there? I know I had promised to react to the whole album and then things got crazy busy. Like if you can look behind me, it's crazy right now. I'm trying to build like a whole studio thing going on. So yeah, I'm busy. But I'm not too busy to listen to music. So today I'm reacting to another banger from Chile One's latest album. Make Me a Dad. That's Chile One featuring PNC, Natasha, Chansa. Let's get to it without wasting any time. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on the channel, then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm.
Woody Beats go crazy.
I've been looking for a place that I can call my home, sweet home.
Hey,
I've been looking for somebody to carry baby in a proper way. The thing is that I can be anything I wanna be if you let me be one. The question is, can you be the one to carry me on your back? Baby, yeah, I've been wanting to be somebody's daddy. Baby, yeah. Before that, can you make me see your daddy? Wanna put a ring on your finger? Kayanga baka pingula shinga. Defo yanku pangena winga. Baka fika chiteke pinga. Make me a daddy.
yeah, it's beautiful thing, man, to desire to be a dad. And then you become a dad, you're like, what did I sign up for? But it's a good thing. It's a good thing. Be a dad if you don't, if you know. Yeah. So I don't want to scare you away, but it's a wonderful thing to be a dad. I'm enjoying it.
Daddy, somebody's daddy, daddy. Let me see your daddy, daddy. For me to be a daddy, daddy, make me your
daddy. The way you handle me, the way you take control.
Oh, wait. I'm too slow.
Your love is all I need, you know. So give me, loving, and I promise you gon' never have to worry. If it ain't you, then baby, it's nobody.
Yo, big up to. I don't know who Natasha is, but that's a beautiful.
So holy.
I've been wanting to be somebody's daddy, baby, yeah. Before that, can you make me see your daddy? Wanna put a ring on your finger? Kayanga baka pingula shinga. Defo yanku pangena winga. Baka fika chitike pinga.
Make your daddy, daddy. Somebody's daddy. You need to see my daddy. For you to
This one is a banger. My personal
be a
favorite.
daddy. Make me your mommy. Hey, you're the king of my heart.
Whoa, she
You need
raps?
to be the king of a home. I could be a little tough, but I'll give it on my own. Maybe one,
Hey.
maybe two, maybe three, maybe four.
4, are you sure? Make it 10. Give me a
What are they talking about?
bola. Dala ngakabwesha kolo bola. I'm sure kanamba kakapona. Baby, yeah. I've been wanting to be somebody's daddy. Baby, yeah. Before that, can you make me see your daddy? Wanna put a ring on your finger? Kayanga baka pingula shinga. Defo yanku pangena winga.
I forgot what chinga means. I know there's a song called Beku Chinga. Look at you. Let me know. Chiku Chinga. I think Your Maps has a song called Beku Chinga. Let's see, what does chinga mean? in I'm gonna say it's in Nyanja. Maybe it's not. The word chinga does. Yeah, you know, because I'm like in a different place. Chia. Okay, hold on. There's a thing. Oh my goodness, I forgot that I'm reacting to this. Oh, now it's a whole thing. Anyway, let me know in the comment section.
Somebody's daddy. Let me see your daddy. For me to be a daddy, make me your dada. 44G music.
Oh, that's a beautiful.
So
I love that.
give me, loving, and I promise you gon' never have to worry. If it ain't you, then baby it's nobody. Tamanga figures a tumbale, daddy. Could it be women I'm gonna be so holy?
Yo, this was a perfect feature for Chile One, man. That's a beautiful, beautiful song that they curated together there. Big up to Natasha for carrying this, because like Chile One is already a big artist, and to get a feature and also like perform like this, yo, she did great on this. I don't know how long she's been singing, but maybe she has a lot of experience. But that's beautiful, man. Round of applause to the videographers as well. You know, you guys are doing a wonderful job with Chile One. Beautiful stuff. Yeah, a lot of people have been swearing about this album, so it's a beautiful thing. I see why a lot of people are like, you know, this is the best album ever. You can tell by the views on these videos that, you know, people love this stuff. So big up to Chile One, and yet another successful album. Thank you so much for watching this, man. If you're here for the first time, like I said earlier, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on the channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. See you guys on the other side. Bye.